Have you ever felt stuck staring at a blank page, trying to come up with the next big idea? You're not alone. Traditional brainstorming methods often leave us feeling blocked. But today, we're introducing a new way to unlock your creativity, mind mapping. We'll show you how something as simple as doodling can spark new ideas and help you solve problems more effectively. So, grab a pen and get ready for mind mapping. How doodling can save your workday. Let's break it down. What exactly is mind mapping? It's a powerful, visual brainstorming tool that allows you to organize ideas in a non-linear way. Instead of writing out lists, you start with a central concept, like project launch, and draw branches out to related ideas. The beauty of mind mapping is that each idea can connect to another, forming a web of concepts that you may not have realized were linked. And it's not just about words. Doodling small images or symbols can further engage your brain, helping you see patterns and connections that might otherwise go unnoticed. Takeaway: mind mapping is more than just drawing. It's a creative way to organize complex thoughts, stimulate new ideas, and boost your brain's natural ability to connect information. Why traditional brainstorming falls short. Traditional brainstorming can be rigid and too focused on order. You end up with lists of ideas, but they're often disconnected. Worse, it's easy to fall into groupthink, where only the loudest or most obvious ideas get attention. Mind mapping allows you to explore multiple paths at once and make unexpected connections between concepts. Takeaway: if you feel stuck in a brainstorming rut, switch to mind mapping. It encourages free-flowing ideas, which can lead to innovative solutions. How to start mind mapping. All right, let's get practical. How do you actually start mind mapping? It's simple. Step 1. Write your central idea or challenge in the middle of the page. This will be your starting point. Step 2. Begin to draw branches out from that central idea. Each branch represents a major category related to your topic. Step 3. Break it down even further. Add sub-branches under each category. Don't be afraid to get creative. Use colors, arrows, or small doodles to represent your thoughts. Finally, let the ideas flow. The goal is to capture all possible angles in a single, visual snapshot. Takeaway: starting with a central idea and letting it expand visually can help you see your project from a fresh perspective and organize complex information more easily. Real-world applications of mind mapping. Mind mapping isn't just for creative types. It's a practical tool for professionals in any industry. Whether you're planning a major project, solving a complex problem, or simply organizing your thoughts, mind mapping can help. With everything visually connected, you get a clearer overview and can spot any gaps or opportunities. Mind maps can also be useful for breaking down individual tasks, brainstorming product ideas, or even mapping out your personal goals. Mind mapping is incredibly versatile. Use it for project planning, team brainstorming sessions, or even for personal productivity. It's a visual way to manage complexity and improve problem solving. Digital tools for mind mapping. If you prefer a digital approach, there are plenty of tools to make mind mapping even easier. Apps like Miro, Zmind, and MindMeister allow you to create, edit, and share mind maps with your team online. You can easily move ideas around, add visuals, and collaborate in real time. Digital tools bring flexibility, allowing you to easily share, update, and refine your mind maps. So, the next time you hit a mental block, remember that mind mapping can help. Whether you're doodling by hand or using a digital tool, it's a simple way to organize your thoughts, unlock creativity, and solve problems faster. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on improving creativity and productivity. See you in the next video.